What is going on, everyone? Platinum Beast coming at you with yet another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at where spot price ended up for the week as a whole on all four precious metals. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, everyone, so as you can see here, I have the platinum spot price chart pulled up here, and let's go ahead and see what happened for this week. So moving back to Monday, August 30th, we can see that platinum closed at 10:09.50, and it ended the week at 10:40.62, so it's up a whole $30, which is pretty solid. We can also see that the trend sort of carried on through this week in that we saw the price go up a little bit on Tuesday and then down on Wednesday, down a little bit further on Thursday, and shoot up pretty high on Friday. So this trend is what has been happening for the past 3 or 4 weeks, in that it closes a little bit high on Monday, it dips throughout the week, and then it rises on Friday. And those rises continue to get higher, in theory, in that the rises are higher and the dips are not as low as they once were. It's interesting to kind of see how this trend has been just sort of never ending. I'm not exactly sure what is causing the ebbs and flows that we are seeing at such a rate. However, no matter where you buy on this chart for the past month, I think it's a pretty solid deal for platinum. That's my opinion, of course. It's not financial advice. It could go much lower or it could go much higher. So always do your own research and do what is best for you. However, it is interesting still to note. So platinum is up for the week around $31-ish. So that's pretty decent. If we take a look at gold, we can see that gold was $18.1055 on Monday, and it closed the week at $18.3377. So it is up a whole $23 for this week. Another interesting point. Gold has been very different from platinum, as well as silver and palladium in a way, in that it has just made a steady rise to where it's at right now. It looks like we started August 10th at 1727.08, and we've just been up a little bit, down just a smidge, up a little bit, and up. So we have seen a stair stepper up for gold. Platinum has just been up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, while slightly increasing week in and week out. So they definitely have been moving very differently. And so you want to keep that in mind. It's looking like platinum you want to buy in the middle of the week, and gold you just kind of want to buy before it continues to go up. But of course, gold is not immune to major dips, as we can see here. So that's always a possibility as well. But it is interesting to see it kind of just slowly go up over the past few weeks, including this last week. So gold is up for a total of $23.77 roughly. Up next, we are going to take a look at silver. Now, silver was $24.04 on Monday, and it looks like it closed at $24.80. So it's up about 72 cents, which is pretty solid for silver. I'm not going to lie. If silver goes up 50 cents in a week, it's pretty average. Silver going up 72 cents, that's not bad. That's actually pretty good. I know most people would like to see it break the $25 because it's been quite a while since we've seen that. going all the way back to the beginning of August. But we are seeing a pattern of growth here. So that's always somewhat good, depending on what side of the argument you're on. And overall, silver is up 72 cents. So, can't complain too much about that. Still a pretty decent deal in my opinion on silver. Silver is relatively inexpensive and very affordable and obtainable. So, that's what makes it one of the best precious metals to be stacking. Moving on to the last precious metal, palladium. Palladium actually started the week at 24.8787, and it is actually down for the week. It is the only metal that has gone down for this week. Now, I want to key in on that. Is something happening to palladium? Because we've seen a drastic kind of tear down, right? We saw this go down. It's recovered a little bit, and it's ebbed and flowed a lot like platinum, only it hasn't gone back up, at least not this week, like platinum has. So it's moved very differently. So is that telling us something? I'm unsure. I don't want to say anything because I don't want to be wrong later on. But that is an interesting point to keep in mind. Is that palladium is the only of the 4 precious metals that ended up down for the week. So, it could go up while the rest go down. We've seen that happen in the past before. Or it could go down while the rest go up. It tends to move very differently. Sometimes it moves along the same lines, but a lot of times it moves very differently. So overall, I would just keep an eye on palladium. If you were thinking about picking some up, I think it's a solid deal, personally. But I know a lot of people disagree with that, and that's okay. But palladium as a whole should always be considered the most speculative metal play. And it should never just be your number one option and what you put all your money into, in my opinion. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the community post and take a look at what you all had to say and what you all voted for as far as metals are concerned. So I'll see y'all over there. Okay, everyone, so here we have the community post pulled up that I posted on Sunday, late Sunday night, and we got 114 votes, which is not too bad. It's pretty average for the week, a little bit less than weeks prior, but that's okay. Basically, what you all said as far as spot price and where it was going to end up for this week was 33% said all metals up. You were so close. You were wrong on palladium, but I'll kind of give it to you because not a lot of people stack palladium or really care about palladium or really follow palladium. But 33% said all metals up. So a good chunk of you were correct on 3 out of 4, which is pretty close. All metals down. You were only correct on palladium. So 32% was mostly incorrect. 29% said sideways all the way. We did see a decent increase for 3 of the metals and a decrease for 1. However, nothing too drastic, so you're kind of on the right track. And then 5% said platinum down, which was incorrect. Platinum actually ended up for the week. And then 1% of you said mixed comment below. And so let's go ahead and see what comments we got. We got just 2 comments this week. One from Pistol Packing Pilot. Everything's dropping, I think. Well, except for palladium. Gold, silver, and platinum will drop, though. The DXY is over 92.6, and the Jerome Powell is blabbing about the economy is all unicorns and rainbows right now. Size, exaggeration, but pretty close. So until we see a new CPI release on 9/14, and there's new relevant data to contradict rose gold colored glasses, metal will drop a bit, in my opinion. Yeah, so Pistol Packing Pilot, I tend to agree with you. That's what we're seeing week in and week out in the middle, right? For some reason, at the end of the week, it just goes up. I don't know if everyone sees that dip and just buys or what's going on. However, it's definitely interesting stuff to see in that, you know, it's just a crazy market going on. But I really kind of agree with you in that until we hear the CPI, until we see the new CPI, we're not really going to know where metals are going to fall, because what's going on right now is just a lot of fluctuation, and it's not what we're used to seeing, a constant kind of float as far as precious metals are concerned and things of that nature. So thank you for your comment, PPP. I really appreciate it, my friend. Up next, we got Mr. Bionic Fishy Fishy. Said silver and platinum up, the rest sideways. Okay, so you were correct on silver and platinum, but gold actually did end up the week up. So that is something key to note, is that gold did end up for the week. And yeah, that's that. Bionic Fishy Fishy. But thanks for the comments to the both of you. I really appreciate it. And thank you, everyone who decided to vote in the poll this week. Be sure to keep an eye out for Sunday or Monday when I post this poll, because I love seeing what you all think is going to happen and then comparing it to what actually is happening. So thank you to everyone who participated in either the poll or the comments down below. Be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with future updates on my channel. Be sure to comment down below on this video, where did you think metals were going to go this week? Let me know all that down below. And with all that being said, until next time, y'all, we'll see ya.